Hello guys, this is my second video and welcome back. Today I'm just gonna post a short video. Today I'll be playing Build a Boat. What should I put? Some chairs, yes. I'm in a private server with my friend. Let's add more protection in the front. I put it in the wrong spot. This one. Flag, let's color it blue. BC, I'm in blue team. What else? Forgot the chair. Okay, I'm ready. Hey, sorry for the long wait. Let's go. We fly. Let's see how much money.it will give me. Next level. We. Oh no. NVM. We. I'm going down bc.to get some coins. If I skip it, I won't get coins. Next level. We. Oh no. It did nothing. Hee. Whoa. Just checking the map. Wave. Ugh, I at the wave. Almost at the end. We. The last map. Oh. Yay. Yes. Oof. Run. Yee. Yes, yes, yes. Yay. Gold. I'ma try to get stuck. Yeses. Yay. That will be it of the video. Let's add my buddy. So that will be it of the video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'ma make another video later. Thank you. Bye.